Right, it's August 25th. We're down here at Paducah again on the Ohio. Looks like we have a lot of current this morning, so we may be going to the Tennessee at the beginning and see if we can get anything done. So we'll try to get some bait and then get some big blues and maybe a flathead.
I can't even open it. Looked at the flow looked steady with the I didn't look at the elevation.
Not much debris, so we'll stay out here.
Just slightly bigger than this. We can call each other to help track. Not gonna rip my shoulder out of socket trying to have one. Got one.
Got a carp?
I think so. It's big.
Gar?
I don't know. I can't see
I
it.
see the tail, it was a gar. Big gar. Golly.
Oh man, it's huge.
Yeah.
But I think he got a big kick out of, me asking questions on depth spacing and so on.
I got a hit
That quick?
as soon as it hit bottom.
Okay,
Something's biting it right now.
good.
Something little, but nonetheless it was a bite. It was a bump.
Yeah.
Getting a hit on two now. Or I'm hung up. No, I had a fish. He took off with it.
It's a well-defined channel. This is the deep part of the channel. Yeah, we're probably best off drifting to the end and going to the white side.
Yeah, where we've proven.
Oh, they're hitting, yeah. Yeah, I got 3 or 4 hits already. Can't hook them, but they're in here good. Just have to improve my fishing skills. happens is that mud line kind of
moves. Got one.
it came by the one moment we had something happen.
We're 41 feet, 40 feet right here.
Oh, just got one. Yeah.
All
fish
right.
on it.
Content.
Bumped it. Oh yeah.
Told you we should have been over here all morning.
I think it's the fresh skipjacks are the
Yeah.
difference.
Could be. Looks like a decent one.
Feels like a decent one.
I saw it. I see it.
Okay. Is it wrapped around him?
Yeah.
Okay. That's why he came to the top. I thought he was going to be way bigger than that. He's hooked.
When they get wrapped like that, they feel twice as big.
Yeah. So he's tail hook, or he's coming in tail first. Trying. Okay, we got him Texas style. Yeah, I got rods all in the way. Sorry. Okay, one down. First, quick, got that quick on the bumping. Way bigger than that. I just had a hit.
Did you? Good.
Yep.
Another hit?
Well, the follow-up, I don't have them. Never hooked them. Shucks.
That'd be good.
My bait.
I just got a bite.
Yeah. I got them. Mine's probably swam to yours.
Yeah, that may be what it is.
Yeah, we're gross.
Yeah.
Still on there. Oh yeah.
Oh, there's fish on this side of the river. Those are hard.
He's not very big. Somebody like that fresh skipjack. Both of them was when the skipjack was very fresh.
It's bigger than the first one.
Not much. Thank you, sir. There he goes.
Got a bite then. Getting another bite.
Yeah.
You see the
Yeah. So it tugged.
For some reason I can't find bottom. Maybe he's got it. Yeah, he didn't have it. He was up off the bottom with
Does he
it.
still have it?
No, but he let go of it. But that's why I kept trying to find bottom, and it's because he had it up off the bottom. All right, it's 1 o'clock. We started out on the Tennessee after we got one big Asian carp for bait. Got lots of bites, drifting and dragging, but just couldn't get any in the boat. Everything was too small. So we found some fresh skipjack and went to the Ohio side down here in the Ohio River where the current's much faster, but we were able to pull in a couple blue cats, so not a total loss.